Hey, if you're a stock trader, there's two very important things that will help you make more money in the market. What are they? Number one, trade alpha. Alpha stocks are those that are trading abnormal volume, very actively traded. This means that there is a crowd that is gathered around the stock. They're enthusiastic about something that that company is doing. Could be a rumor, could be nothing, but doesn't matter. It's the fact that there's a crowd there that creates emotion, and that can make these stocks move big. So number one, focus on abnormal volume. I'm going to show you that in a chart in just a moment. Second thing, don't fight against pessimism. Pessimism occurs when people own the stock at higher prices in the recent past. If there are falling tops on the chart, you have pessimism. Now, this all makes more sense when we look at a chart. So let's jump into LUMN first, one of the hot stocks of the day today. You can see it's trading very abnormal volume the last week. That's the alpha. If I dive into the short-term chart, you can see the alpha in here as well. If I draw a trend line across these bottoms, you can see that price ran away from the trend, pulled back. That creates a buying opportunity when it comes back to the trend line. Now, the second thing is if I look into the shorter term chart, let's just look at the last, actually we'll look at the last 2 days. Here you see today's trading. Look at the alpha volume compared to yesterday. So we know that this stock is in play. And we know that the stock is moving to new highs. It's not fighting against pessimism. At that point, you can just apply basic chart analysis. There's a ascending triangle pattern break right here. And it went for a nice move from $4.20 to $5 in less than an hour. Now, let's compare that with another stock that was quite abnormal and quite liquid, but it had pessimism. This is VBIV. Look at the volume today. It is huge, but look at the longer term chart. It is ugly. The stock has had a sharp sell-off, and yes, while today it was trying to go up, it fizzled out. If we look at the short-term chart, there you can see the strength on the open, but sellers sold into that strength because people have been losing money. There's general pessimism around the stock. It has a much harder time of gathering upward momentum. Let me show you one more. MULN today was abnormal in terms of its volume. You can see the volume today is abnormal. If I dive into the chart, let's look at the last 10 days. You can see it was abnormal here on the 30th, strong volume, but into pessimism. It didn't work. Then today, very strong volume, but into pessimism, and it fizzled out and went lower. So keep those ideas in mind. Trade alpha, don't fight against pessimism, which is another way to say don't fight the trend. Simple things that will make you a better trader. If you've enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. Trade well.